Hi folks, welcome back to Meta Box tutorials. We're going to create a team members page using Meta Box and Breakdance. I want to have a team members page like this. For this practice, I use Breakdance to build the page. Each member will be a post in a custom post type and will be displayed in a name card as a box here. It is created as a global block in Breakdance. In the name card, the name and image of the member are the title and the featured image of the post. All extra information about each member such as position, Facebook, Instagram, and mail will be saved in different custom fields created by Meta Box. Here are some tools we need for this practice. As I said before, we use Breakdance to build the page to display the team members' information. Next, to create a custom post type and custom fields, we have Meta Box here. Furthermore, we also need some advanced features of Meta Box. So you can install its extensions individually or use Meta Box AIO to have the following extensions. MB Custom Post Type helps create custom post types for team members. And Meta Box Builder has a UI in the back end to create custom fields easily. Let's create a new custom post type for the team members. Each member has extra information, so we'll create custom fields to save them. First, choose a select field for the position. Then, I will have a choice box here to fill in several options. For other information such as Facebook, Instagram, and mail, I want to save the link for those social networks. So I choose the URL field. After creating the necessary fields, move to the Settings tab. Choose Location as post type and select Team Member to apply these fields to this post type. Go to the Post Editor and you will see all of the created custom fields. Then just fill in the information. Here are the team members that I added detailed information as examples. Now, let's create a global block to get the team members' information. Remember to set the preview for it. My global block is to display the information of each member on a name card like this. So, we'll add a div for this name card first. In this tutorial, each name card has two columns. One is to display the avatar and social icons. And another one is to show the member information. To divide the content into two columns, I'll add two new divs. Each one for each column. In the first column, add a post featured image element to have the avatar saved as the post's featured image. Next, to contain all the social networks, we'll create another div inside this column. I'm going to get the social network profiles one by one. Now, select an icon element to create the social network's icon. Go here to choose the icon's shape. As the social links are saved in custom fields, we'll insert the dynamic data into the icon element. To do it, click this one and choose the right field in the MetaBox section. For example, I'm creating an icon for the member's Facebook profile, so choose the Facebook field. Here you see that the member's Facebook profile has just been displayed. For the Instagram and mail information, do likewise. To save time, just duplicate this element and change the information. Move to the second column to get the name of the member. It's the post title, so choose the heading element. Click on this icon to insert dynamic data for this element. Choose the post title option. You see that the member's name has just been obtained already. For the position information, add a text element. As the position is saved in the custom field created by MetaBox, we'll insert the dynamic data into this text element. Also, click this icon and choose the corresponding field name in the MetaBox section. Then, you'll see the member's position appear. To get a short description of the member, also choose the text element. Click this icon as well and choose the Post Content option. We have just displayed all the wanted information from a team member on this name card. So we move on to the next step. Go back to the created global block. Then customize each element to get the wanted display. After styling, you'll see the new look of the name card. Now, create a new page and edit it with Breakdance. First, add a section to contain all the information of the team members. And add a heading to name it. To display the wanted posts, which means for the team members' information, we need the post loop builder element, so search for it here. In the settings of this element, you'll see the global block section. Choose the global block that has just been created. To stipulate the source of data in the team members you want to display, go to the query section, set it as the custom type, and edit the query like this. In the source data, it'll be automatically set as the post type. Then choose the name of the team members you want to get the post from. To limit the number of posts you want to display on this page, enter the number here. After applying the query, the team member's information has just been obtained. Now, I'll set the layout for this page. Then, all of the team members' information is displayed as I want. That's the end of today's practice. Remember to like, share, and subscribe to us for more upcoming tutorials. Bye.